Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can screen record your iPhone with sound. So if you want to screen record your iPhone, then you just have to do few steps. First of all, if I scroll it down from here, then you can see right now I'm recording my screen. If you are not seeing this option, then you just have to do few steps. First of all, you have to go to settings, and from here you just have to scroll it down and go to the control center. Okay, so from here you can see I have included this screen recording in my control center. So you just have to add this screen recording in your included controls, and after that, if you will add the screen recording, then if you will scroll down from here, then you will get this option of screen recording. And to record your iPhone screen with sound, you just have to long press on this screen recording option, and you will get the option of microphone. By default, the microphone is turned off. You have to turn it on to screen record your iPhone with sound. So that's how you can simply screen record your iPhone with sound. I hope you have found this video helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.